something big is about to shake up the Galaxy world, and it's not a new phone this time. It's software. Samsung's next major update is quietly gearing up to redefine what your phone can think, see, and even write for you. And the best part, it's completely free, at least for now. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you love staying ahead of every Galaxy upgrade, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss any of the exciting updates coming your way. Alright, here's the deal. Samsung's One UI 8 rollout just started, but insiders are already buzzing about the upcoming One UI 8.5, a mid-cycle update that's turning out to be anything but minor. This one is rumored to bring the biggest Galaxy AI expansion in over a year, and the new features sound straight out of a spy movie. Let's start with something that could completely change how you handle meetings, lectures, and live events. The new meeting assistant. Imagine sitting in a conference with people speaking 5 different languages, and your phone instantly translates everything in real time right on your screen. It listens, transcribes, and translates instantly, making sure you never miss a single word. It's like having a personal translator that never needs a coffee break. Then there's Touch Assistant, and this one's going to save you so much time, it's ridiculous. Any text on your screen, an article, email, or even a long Reddit thread can now become interactive. Just highlight it, and you'll get instant options like translate, simplify, or summarize. That dense 1,000-word article shrunk down to a short, crystal clear version in seconds. Students, professionals, and anyone drowning in digital text are going to love this. Now here's something subtle but powerful. Smart Clipboard. It sounds boring until you realize how smart it actually is. Whenever you copy something, the system doesn't just save it, it understands it. Copy a paragraph, and it'll ask if you want to summarize, translate, or store it for later. Copy a phone number or address, and it'll suggest saving it or opening it in Maps. It's the kind of feature that doesn't just make your phone faster, it makes it feel alive. And if you're into social media, this next one's going to be your new favorite assistant, Social Composer. Ever stare at your phone trying to come up with a perfect caption? This AI does it for you. It analyzes your photo or video, identifies what's in it, people, places, objects, and then generates catchy captions, hashtags, even short descriptions that actually sound human. For creators, influencers, or anyone who posts regularly, this could be a total game changer. Now, here's the real twist. Samsung isn't charging for any of these features yet. All of them are expected to roll out for free under the One UI 8.5 update. But there's a catch. Samsung hasn't confirmed whether every feature will make it into the final release. If they do, this could easily become Samsung's most advanced AI rollout ever, rivaling even Google's Gemini-powered Pixel features. Under the hood, One UI 8.5 is being built on Android 16 QPR2, Google's quarterly platform release that usually only Pixel phones get early access to. Samsung joining this cycle means Galaxy users will now get smoother animations, smarter transitions, and better stability. Things that used to be exclusive to Google devices. In fact, internal test builds have already been spotted, with version numbers linking directly to Android 16 QPR2. Translation: Samsung's not just updating its look, it's catching up to Google's system-level intelligence. Here's something that might surprise you. Most Android brands skip these QPR versions altogether because they take 4 times longer to develop and test than regular updates. But Samsung isn't skipping, they're diving straight in. That alone shows how serious they are about bringing Galaxy users the very best, even if it means doing extra work behind the scenes. Of course, not every Galaxy device will get this shiny new update. Samsung's update policy means some older models are out of luck. One UI 8.5 will debut with the Galaxy S26 lineup in early 2026, then slowly roll out to newer flagships and selected mid-range devices. The rollout pattern will likely follow Samsung's usual order. S series first, then the foldables, and finally the 8 series. The bigger story here isn't just the features, it's what they represent. Samsung is transforming your smartphone from a tool into a thinking companion. Real-time translations, smarter text, auto captions. These aren't gimmicks. They're glimpses of the next phase of Galaxy AI, where your phone doesn't just assist you, it actually understands you. So, whether you're a student trying to simplify notes, a creator searching for the perfect post caption, or just someone who loves testing the latest tech, One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be something special. Free AI upgrades, smoother performance, and smarter interactions. This could be the biggest leap Galaxy users have seen in years. And here's the million-dollar question. Will Samsung keep these AI tools free forever, or are we seeing a preview of a future Galaxy AI subscription plan? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm genuinely curious how many of you would actually pay for AI this powerful.